Okay then. So I'm a little confused. Why am I confused? Because I've been to two McDonald's, a signature McDonald's and a McDonald's, and I bought two identical burgers. One is a Big Mac and the other one is a Big Mac. And one of them I got charged, I don't know if you can see that or not, but £2.99, and that was the signature McDonald's. And the other McDonald's I got charged £2.69. So that's 30p difference. WTF? I mean, what is that about? Why? Delilah, I've got to eat some food now. So, what is the difference then? Why is one 30p more expensive than the other? Decontaminating my hands, I've just touched receipts. Don't like receipts. So, this is going to get messy. All over my new shirt. It's not new. The shirt's 35 years old. Anyway, so, signature McDonald's burger. Be a bit cold now because it was 15 minutes ago when I bought it. So there you go. There's your burger. It's quite nice by the looks of things. Let's open it up a little bit so you can see better. There you go, there's your burger. Okay. So it's just lukewarm, to be fair, but it's not their problem, it's not their fault. It was hot when they give it me. Other McDonald's. Same box. Obviously feels warmer because it is fresher. And same again, rip the sides down a little bit. And there you go, there's the burger from this one. Let's put them together. Oh. Now this is old style McDonald's, that one. And this one is new posh McDonald's. So new, posh and old. So new, posh and old. Posh at the bottom, old at the top. So now what I'm going to do is eat them. Make them mate. Like that. Look, they're mated now. They're inside each other. Bit rude. So I'm going to pick one up with one hand and one up with the other hand. This is not easy. Right then. So, two Big Macs. Posh McDonald's, old-fashioned McDonald's. They do look different, to be fair. It's like the burgers disappeared. Oh no, if you spin it around. Spin it around, yeah. So, new McDonald's, old McDonald's. Had a for me, did. Right, so I'm going to eat them both now, one-handed, and try not to make a mess. Old one first because it's warm. Yeah. Quite chewy. To be fair, not that warm. Okay, so that one. Now the old one. Obviously this one is cold. Tastes exactly the same. Which, to be fair, it should do. It should taste the same. It's the same pissing burger. So, new McDonald's, old McDonald's. managed to get any on me yet. Mm. Mm. Right, I can't tell the difference, which is what it should be like. This one is cold. And the burgers look the same. This one's falling apart. Mm-mm. There is a hell of a lot more sauce on this one. No, I haven't. I do like my food, but I don't like it that much. But yeah. Lovely. This one's kept its shape better. Now it might be because it's colder. Therefore there's less fat or grease or whatever. There's definitely less sauce on this. This is about, the old one had about 4 or 5 times more sauce than this one's got. Mm-mm. Mm. So which one did I enjoy the most? Well, that hand is pretty clean. That hand, seriously, that's just the sauce off the burger. Now, everyone knows that McDonald's burgers are not the most tasty thing ever. Ergo, the £2.69 cheaper one, for me, was a better burger because it had more sauce on it. And the £2.99 one didn't have as much sauce, so it didn't have as much taste. But unexpected revelation, and I mean, I'm totally gobsmacked by this, is the fact that you got 2 completely different prices for the same burger. I just don't understand that. I bought one burger at 21:35 and 58 seconds, and I bought the other one at 20:20 and 50 seconds. So why is it 30p cheaper? I have no idea. But Big Mac's a Big Mac, innit? A staple of McDonald's. Everyone eats a Big Mac. I would give it, old one, I'd probably give it about 7 out of 10. And the new McDonald's, probably give it about 6 out of 10. Because let's be honest, it's the same pissing burger. It should be the same. taste. Should be the same everything, but it's not. Anyway, thanks for watching. You really need to sort out your search history though if you're looking at videos of me eating burgers. Although that one was fascinating. That one was a good one because you learnt something. I learnt something. Posh McDonald's are more expensive than older McDonald's. What does it say about the head office as well, actually, at the bottom of the receipt? It's got the same head office. It's on about business managers and stuff like that at the bottom of this receipt. Although, I'm going to deduct points. I ordered one Big Mac from this second old McDonald's. And I had to wait for it for about 4 or 5 minutes. And everyone around me was waiting as well. So I'm going to deduct 2 points. So that puts the old McDonald's at 5 and the new one at 6. So congratulations, new McDonald's, you win because your service is better. Even though the people look more miserable in the new McDonald's than they did in the old McDonald's, but I only saw one person in the old 2 people in the old McDonald's. So anyway, thanks for watching. Just stop watching these videos. Just get a life, something. Just saying, I'm trying to help you. Subscribe if you want. Bye. Why would they subscribe? It's an old guy eating bloody burgers. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, I forgot you were still here. Sorry. Bye.